guys excited?
Very excited.
What did we do yesterday?
Sorchi and then lunch to ox carts with and then saw the ox carts and then hot springs.
Where did you guys go during the hot springs?
I went everywhere.
Yeah, I kind of went everywhere.
Did you go to the kids area?
Yes, I went to the
Yeah.
Hey, wasn't it fun?
Yes.
The bucket? Yeah.
Hello.
But the other side of the mountain where we go kayaking, when you look at the volcano, it looks almost black. And what you're seeing is the bare side of the mountain. How is it that it's so bare? All the lava flows coming down from right now, from 1968, they've been coming down on the other side of the mountain. So there's hardly any forest on the other side. That would be also the place we're hiking. And that's the side of the mountain we see when we're kayaking. But right now you're seeing the forest side of the mountain. Even though we haven't had huge lava flows coming down to this side, you will see some of the canyons were made through the forest in 1968.
Right now we're at
Waterfall.
wow, good job.
After that, Arenal volcano became the most active volcano on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Because back in those days, you could have come up here, which is actually how people from San Jose, Jose's people is the first people started coming here to look at this red glowing mountain on the top, a lava stream river coming down on one side, and every once in a while, because the volcano didn't release all the pressure at once, it took over 42 years of pressure release. Every once in a while, every hour, every 2 hours, you could see a boom, which is some of the pictures I have. And then more visitors coming from San Jose. Ooh, it's a 3-day trip, but I don't want to go back the same day. You know, where can we stay? Let's talk to the people who are actually now relocated to the not active side of the volcano, which is the fortunate people to be on the not active side of the volcano. Is why they eventually ended naming the town La Fortuna. And they start talking to people. Okay, can you rent us a room? Can we stay overnight? Sure. And then that's how the whole visiting to the volcano businesses starts. Most people started to come here just to see the lava and the volcano, and later on they find hot water popping everywhere here in every mountain outside of the mountain, and then hot springs are built, and then lodges and hotels, and then ecotourism is boom, and it became literally the hottest tourist spot in Costa Rica. The last time we saw something big, lava flowed and boulders flying everywhere, was about 30 years ago. And volcanologists in Costa Rica believe the baby is going back to sleep. It's already released all the pressure on over 40 years of activity, so he's going back to sleep. But you can't call the volcano inactive or dormant until it goes for about at least 40 years of not seeing any activity. The steam defense up there, it's mostly from chambers or fractures in the chamber. They're still hot enough. When the rain goes in there, it evaporates back out. No. Well, it is, because temperatures in there still. They believed actually magma inside the volcano would take another 100 years to go back down to the plates. So as the slow went up, it slows goes back down. And remember, lava is magma that when it reaches out to the surface, get in touch with oxygen. Before that, it's not lava, it's magma. Same thing, but different.
We are in the store. And we're so happy to be here. Right now we're in La Fortuna. Really pretty. Struggling with their chips. We're gonna play what's in my bag. What's in your bag?
Popcorner.
What's in your bag?
Lime plantain chips.
What's in your bag? What's in your bag? What's in your bag?
That's it.
So right now I'm about to mess up this plate. Just give me a good 10 minutes all alone with it, and it'll be gone. What has been your favorite part so far, starting here? Kayaking. You got it.
The waterfall. Swimming in the lake.
Ooh. So correction, this is the papaya? No, I don't know what this was. Hey guys, what are we doing?
Standing here on a hike.
That's a hike.
For 2 miles.
Yes.
I don't want to do it.
Are you excited?
Sure.
Yes.
What animal do you hope that you see?
A koala.
Sloth.
Sloth. Or koala.
So, where did a koala come from?
Koalas are from Australia. No, I just always wanted to see a koala. I'm not gonna say one.
You think you're gonna? Yeah.
Are we on it in Australia? No. What is the I want to see a koala.
Okay, perfect.
Come on, Tanya. Come on, Joe. Get over here.
Am I videoing you?
So right now we're at walking a trail. A trail for this volcano. Wow. We're wet. We're soaked, and it's thundering. I feel like I'm at Lollapalooza all over again. The weather's a little bit, just a little sprinkly. I don't know if your camera can see it.
Without lighting, we have to get out of here, guys.
Oh, so we actually gotta go.
Drink some water, those who got here.
So right now we are at dinner.
She said no, not yet. He's being difficult.
I'm gonna call the camera because my other one died and messed up. So if it doesn't work tomorrow, this will be what we have to deal with for the rest of the vlogs. And that's fine.